And here, don't think that real-time environment will be different and this environment will be different. Both are same. Okay. And why this kind of dashboard is available? So the end user will access immediately whatever they want. So I mean, we can place some of the objects, some of the forms, some of the functionalities. We can able to place it here and we can access here. For example, if I'm going to clicking on the bank management, when you click on the bank management, directly it will open from here. See here, this is the bank management related form. Okay, these are all tiles: all bank accounts, open bank reconciliation, all bank statements, import bank statement. These are all tiles. We can call it as a tile, T-I-L-E, tile. Okay, when you click on all bank accounts, it will open the all bank accounts form directly. See here. Okay, we will discuss all these things in later point of time. Just I'm giving some idea about the environment. So if I click some option, what will happen? So those things I'm explaining you in this session purely. Okay, go back to the navigation pane. So these are all workspaces. Workspace in the sense like a combination of many functionalities. We can keep it in one area. See, when I click on the bank management here, how many things are there inside the bank management? There are 4 things, approximately 4, or like see here. I can see the bank accounts. I can see the balance. Okay, I can see the related some information like reconciliations, all bank statements within a single click. I mean, inside the bank management, there are a lot of functionalities included, right? So this kind of development, we can call it as a workspace. Okay, suppose we are going to making some invoicing. Okay, so what we will do, when you I will keep one button called invoice. Okay, when you click on the invoice button, so from that invoice button to, we will navigate to all the functionalities. Okay, and coming to the next thing, this is very important. This is only the heart of our environment modules. There are several modules you can see like accounts payable, accounts receivable, audit, workbench, budgeting, cash and bank management, cost accounting, cost management, like demo data, expense management, fixed assets, fleet management, general ledger, human resource management, inventory management, organization administration module, payroll, procurement and resourcing, and production control, retail, sales and marketing, service management, system administration, time and attendance, transportation management, and something like warehouse management. These are all predefined modules. I mean, in our Dynamics 365 finance and operations, Microsoft has given these modules. I mean, Microsoft developed these modules by default. By default, in a common environment, you will get all these modules, but the end user will not purchase all the modules, because each and every module has a individual cost. I mean, price related things. So this, for example, a client wants to do something like some functionality. So according to that, according to their business, they will purchase the modules. So everybody will not purchase all the modules. It is a costable, right? It is expense. So why I need to purchase all the modules? Suppose if I don't want like something like a fleet management, here there is a module called fleet management. Suppose I'm running a retail sector, so why I need fleet management? Suppose I'm into the HR and HR management systems, why I need fleet management? So I don't want to purchase. Okay, so related to their business, clients will choose the modules. But anyway, we are the technical developers, so in any module we can work. So our development will not point to the module wise. We are the technical developers. We can do anything in any module. So our development is not related to any specific module. Now coming to the explanation of the modules. Now, if you want to open this module, just click on here, accounts payable. When you click on here, it will open the accounts payable module information. These are all functionalities. These are all functionalities here. Okay, these are all functionalities. And here, accounts in the sense here we can imagine or we can think it as a money bucks. So I mean amount payable, the company will pay the amount to vendors, right? Because company will purchase the items, raw material, or take the services from the vendors. So accounts payable module contains the vendor information. You can see all vendors, vendor on hold, vendor on past dues, vendor groups. See everything related to vendor. See, coming to a business, client and vendor, right? I mean customer and vendor. In between company, and one side we should maintain the vendors, one side we should maintain the customers. What exactly the company will do? Company will purchase the items from the vendors. I mean raw material or whatever it is, and the company will manufacture the item, and after finished good, the company will purchase to the, company will sell to the customer. In between this process, we need to maintain all the things. So we required a dedicated application. That dedicated application should manage all the functionalities which is related to all the aspects of this kind of businesses, like buying and selling. So we required a dedicated environment, in the sense only ERP can handle this kind of functionalities. Enterprise resource planning. This is purely ERP application. This application can manage each and every functionality, each and every department of the company, resources, everything we can manage here. Okay, so first, each and every section will be different. I mean, whatever the modules we are seeing here, each and every module having their own functionalities. I mean, accounts payable. In the accounts payable, the total information is related to vendors only. And coming to the accounts receivable, in this particular module, we will maintain the customer information. See, I told you, business in the sense, okay, it is a triangle aspect. I mean, company, customer, and vendor. Okay, I'm a company right now. Okay, so in my view, in my point of view, I'm seeing this environment. So these are all vendors. Here I will maintain the vendor information. Here I will maintain the customer information. Okay, only vendor and customer information, but transactions, money related information, transport, everything we will maintain in the other modules. Okay, like budgeting. Coming to the budgeting, see, as a company, every year the profit or turnover, they will make some calculations, right? And they will, they in the sense here company, the company will make some budget. I mean, with their money, Okay, I mean, coming to the budgeting, whatever the profit they are getting, from that profit, they will distribute some amount to the ads and product upgradation and machinery upgradation and any offers to the customers, like this, and they will distribute, they will manage all their things in the budget form. Okay, and